Hello everyone, welcome to YourPedia Education. I am Jitendra Tyagi. So, as all of you know, HPCL, a very great PSU in India that has come with some recruitment process, okay, and it will provide you a very good job opportunity. You know, CTC of HPCL is very good, and all the facilities they offer to their officers really awesome, okay. So, you can think of preparing for this HPCL examination and you can become an officer there, right. So, if we talk about the examination pattern of HPCL, okay, so recently last year also they conducted the exam. So, there in that exam this year also they are going to follow the same pattern. So, there will be total 170 questions, okay, and the time duration for exam will be 150 minutes. So, in 150 minutes you have to solve 170 questions. So, you have to get a good speed of solving the questions. Less than 1 minute you are going to get in one question, okay. So, in some questions you may require more time, but that can be compensated by other questions which take less time, okay. Now, if we talk about the entire pattern, so 50% means 85 questions will be from your domain, your branch, like mechanical instrumentation or whatever your branch is. 85 questions from will be there, technical questions purely, okay, and the remaining 85 questions will be from a non-technical section, okay. Now, in 85 questions we have 3 sections: aptitude section, reasoning section and English section, okay. So, if we talk about them individually, from English language you may expect 17 questions, and these are the main topics from where you may expect questions, okay. All the questions of English will be covered through these chapters, okay, these topics we can say, right. So, obviously there will be repetition of some of the topics here in the examination, okay. And if we talk about aptitude section, so there will be 34 questions from aptitude section, and since I am mentor of aptitude, so you can see here the topics I have mentioned, okay. So, percentage, profit loss, discount, all these chapters you can expect in your exam, and out of them there may be some chapters from where you may get more questions, more means 3 questions, 2 questions, 4 questions. Like percentage is very important, profit loss, discount is very important. These first 6 are the chapters from where you may expect 3 questions per chapter maybe, or 2 questions, okay. And also they are going to ask from other topics also, okay. So, you have to prepare all these topics, and in number system we have a lot of different things, okay, like number system is also important. In mensuration we have plane mensuration, 3D mensuration, area of plane, circle also, or many things we cover in this mensuration part, okay. So, you have to prepare all these topics, like also DI section, that is bar chart, pie chart, etc. So, such question also you have to prepare, okay. And then we go to reasoning. So, in reasoning there will be 34 questions in reasoning also, okay. So, equal weightage to reasoning and aptitude, and in reasoning you have to prepare all the topics because more questions are there. So, at least you should try to read at least once, you should try to read all the topics which are included in the reasoning section, okay. So, that will be better. Suppose you are not comfortable in one question, then if you read all and questions come from all the chapters, then you can solve at least some question, okay. So, now you again see here, and you can click a picture of these topics, you can note down, and you can get 34 out of 34 questions from aptitude section if you read all these questions carefully, because level of the question is not very much tough, straightforward question you will get. Once you know the concept, you can solve the questions. So, if you are in preparation mode already, then you can prepare, you can revise all the concepts, that will be beneficial. And if you are starting as a fresh candidate, then also it is no issue, you need to put a little effort and then you can get this, okay. So, in HPCL is really very good PSU, a very good job provider, okay. So, if you are getting opportunity, you are in the age limit of that examination which they have mentioned, you should prepare for HPCL and you should work hard and you should join this great PSU, okay. All the best.